to see how to fix NVIDIA Error Code 43. Windows has stopped. So for this, we need to go to NVIDIA app and go to drivers and update availability is there. If you're using for game purpose, you go with a game ready driver. Or else you're using for other purpose, you go with the studio driver. So it's depend on you. So I'm using for game purpose, so I go with a game. And make sure if you have in the same side it's having install, means you need to install the new version, or else sometimes download, you need to download it. And first time you need to go for express installation. So if there is a reinstall, means you can reinstall it at same side. And first go for express installation. If it's not working, then go with customer installation. So first go with express, and it will take couple of time, so be patient. So I skip the installation. After that, the second method, you need to click this PC and go to device manager, or else you can search in Windows toolbar device manager, then go with device manager. This pop-up will appear in this click device manager, and you need to go for display adapters. So sometimes the issue occur, means you need to update the driver, check for scan for hardware changes. Once hardware changes is checked, then you need to go for 2 or 3 times. Then after you come back and restart your PC. And once after restarting, you can check it. It will be fixed. Thank you.